Hi, these are my summary questions for activity 2, unit CF. Again, sorry that this is a little bit late. I uploaded everything else on Friday and then my computer crashed right when I was about to upload these. So, anyways, question 1A, I put that an object remains constant because the net force would be 0, if there are balance forces acting on it. Question 1B, I said that my answer to part A applies to an object at rest with balance force acting on it because if an object at rest had balance forces acting on it before it was moving, it would remain at rest. It's different if an object was already moving, but that is for 1B. It's a similar answer to question 2. I think I kind of jumped ahead. Explain your answer to the previous question in terms of net force. Well, the net force would be 0 if it wasn't moving, or if there are balance forces acting on it that made it 0. Question 3, I'm just going to explain my drawings. So the first one before the push, assuming that the object is already at rest, I didn't put a force arrow at the top. I just labeled the friction and I labeled where the forces were coming from, so from the left and right. The diagram number 2 in the middle during the push, I put equal arrows on either side and then the force arrow on top. And then after the push, I put just one arrow on the left side, and then the friction. Summary question 4, I responded to Louisa first because I felt like it tied in better. So for Louisa, I said, yes, if an object is already not moving, it is not moving, it will stay at rest, but if it is already moving, it will move at a constant speed. And then that kind of ties into Dave's idea, which would be not true because of what I just said with Louisa. And then summary question 6, the last one, I said that I think this is a common idea because when people think of the fact that a constant force is needed in order to maintain a constant speed, they probably think of cars. But you don't always need a constant force in order to maintain a constant speed. It depends if the forces are balanced and if the object was already moving or not. Yeah.